This is basically easy. The first step would be go to the Insert tab in the menu line of Excel and then go to the entry called pivotchart. Please press pivotchart, and then you find the second line pivotchart and pivot table. So please go to pivotchart and table. And now in this new window you can see in the first part you have to enter the data range from the spreadsheet. So the data range in my example is from cell A1, so in the upper left part this is cell A1, up to cell D225. So the data range for our database in the example is from A1 up to D225. And we also mark the box New Worksheet because we want the table and the corresponding chart to be presented on the new worksheet.